Kohima Municipal Council Nutun Deputy Chairman Kriya Levy Chusi Pra Aji Taike Aji July 8 elect Kriya Lua Pichide Kota Kuria Homoy Kushi ki Kohima ge Smart City declare Kriya Pichide Tai Kohima ge digitalize Kuribule Sapna Tagishe Chusi Kushi ki modern urban management kaine digitalization do bishi important ase address traceability limited colonies aro wards kange street mapping kurubule propose crucial deputy chairman pa kushi ke local initiatives or chief minister's corpus funds pa youths kanye promote kurubule lage aro financial resources kando local economy or youth empowerment nimide YC chulabole lage waste management opor kota kore homoy chusi kushi ke environmental issues mitigate kurubule proper waste generalization aro public cooperation lage municipal transparency or accountability opore chusi kushi के monthly sanitation payments और अलग municipal services काने digital transaction दो priority करबो लगे जुनाई दिबो के आज high power committee for formation of ULB members kampa unanimously nikhozo sokrege KMC chairman करबले और krevile chusige elect krulushe
see municipal election ULB election conducted after a gap of 20 years we are just in a new horizon now. We have not seen the package. It is only an assumption and presumption. We do not know what is in the package. But what I feel is that if there is any possibilities, the first priority will go for digitalizing. Of course, there may be some sources coming from the government of India as well as the state government. We will judiciously utilize those funds for the welfare of the colonies and ward, but our foremost priority should be considered as priority. I wanted to digitalize Kohima. That is my first priority. How to digitalize is that, see, Kohima was fortunately declared as smart city. Smart city that declared creation. Will be one very simple thing. It to be American top facility to monte rakhalaga public can ekdom emergency lage ekta amila monte thakya to. Ajikali bacha hobi buri hobi ama hobi. American soap online shopping ase. Online shopping ase we paid everything till doorstep. Delivery can soap American paid creation. Will be go na boje kili na boje ami kan etu delivery boys kan ke blame koribole na pare that is we have not bring down the system opposite to system so ase satellite so ase will be ami kan system to anibole na pare so I wanted to digitalize Kohima matlab in a very simple way ini Kohima city to so Google mapping korigine itu mapping koribo aro street kan house number pura haligine colony wise ward wise itu house number pura haligine inega hosigule to when you ordered anything online ini tula gode bujibule paribo when kiba problem hole bi community na hole bi ki jaga problem hole bi ami kan ini Google de trace koribole pare laga iniga laga mon de ekta ase इसबुले तो नागामादा सब सुंदर दिखे बोले भी कोहिमा बिया होइसे सबली बिया होइसे बोले तो that reflects the entire Naga so my thought is that I wanted to make Kohima a smart city which reflect the whole Nagas to the entire world yes ini municipal ekta para ekdom dangor investment to expect pina kuru Aro na pare abhi na pare. But the little step that we can carry forward is youth can get promote koribo lage. Youth can get kiniga promote koribo lage. Ami kan Kohima re sabi. We have more than 6,000 shops. Aro local kan to 500 to 600 shops yes local manubra chulano. To ami kan tate bhi saishigule to many of our money circle to bahar jai to itu kan ami kan trade license ki kan kura time de bi ami kan local kan ge preference debo lage local kan ge promote koribo lage Only be local can ke promote kurabi American can ke empty hand brought na parego. To in one way or the other way, any chief minister ko post phone obi, kiki laga phone obi, well to do aro ekdom sincere youth can ke identify kurigine. Itu can ke bi আমি can recommend koribo lagibo. Recommend ekla nohoi gine ta can ke trade license itu can ke bi dibo aro dukan can bi sai gine local can ke preference dibo lage. Inika hoise kole tu money circle tu within Kohima within Nagaland thaki boli paribo. Kole bi itia nishina random hoise kole tu our investment income olop thaki alabi sob bahar de pocket te jai jai. To kinika bra naga manu kan survive koribole paribo. Itu garne money circle tu within Kohima within Nagaland de ki hole thaki boli paribo. Itu tu ami kan focus to lagine we will come out with some program. Transparency, accountability na thakise bole to ki laga government hole bi giri jai. Oi itia ami kan KMC de kan kuriya nai ki laga revenues ki ase dukan to ami kan sob A to Z tu na jane. Oi bi transparency, accountability or institutionalized ki laga kuribo kwa tu. See, these days we are living in 21st century. Ami kan sob manu Google Pay चलाए किले छोटो मोटो फी करने किले होता KMC ला ऑफिस तो जाते हैं टाइम भी नहीं और मैनुअल पेमेंट करी था किसी बोले तो होता है लेट फाइन था कि वो तो अकाउंटेबिलिटी ट्रांसपेरेंसी था कि वो बोले तो हमें जान Google Pay UPI GPay लगा अकाउंट खुले भी ना KMC लगा हो भी वार्ड लगा सैनिटेशन हो भी itu kan sob UPI Google Pay laga account khuli gine tate bra monthly laga payment be it sanitation fee trade license or for that matter any fees aro ajikali sajugule to dosra state kan to khali vegetable vendors can be they can Google Pay hi chulai itu nishna ami kan daily collection ja kan bi Google Pay kar bi na inega hosigule to manu laga man power bi kumti lage aru transparency bi thake itu kan sob ami agiri kwa nishina Kohima digitalize kuribo kwa to it related itu la sob related ase itu kan transparency accountability to thakibo gole to ami kan itu kan la sob te everything should be digitalized aro manu laga time bi waste na koribo lage on top of that transparency aro accountability bank te bi ki hole bi it also transparency accountability like so those things should be taken into consideration. Kohima aro Dimapur or for that matter Guwahati Delhi alag ase for Kohima environment itu saisi bole to ami am Kohima laga sanitation to he bishi important ase any sanitation saisi bole to Kohima laga we are facing loads of problem kile mane mismanagement of septic tank drainage kan nala kan edu kan balbra manage na kore government bra mismanagement noigena public kan bra mismanagement ase septic tank to any time khuli bole die yes khushi bra khuli ne aro nala kan saisi bole to in most of the colonies and world ami kan sanitation laga gari bi thake bole be that comes only once in a week then for a big family how can they sustain with one day service in a week dangor family kan to pura bosta de jama kori lobo to upai nai kote philabo egan KMC dustbin de bi jabole na parebo to nala de philabole ase itu kan environment saisi gole to ami kan we should have more vehicles sanitation garne gari bi bishi lagibo aro at least twice in a week to thakibo lagibo aro septic tank laga ki kan to management tu tek pura channelize kori na jabo lage itu kan sob bal hoisi gole to Kohima to safa hobo আমি গান তো হিলি এরিয়া আছে হিলি এরিয়া কাৰণে আমি গান তো কি তো এই সবচেয়ে ভাল বড় ম্যানেজ কৰিব লাগে বুলি নালা কানি আছে নালা খান আৰু আমি খান ওয়েস্ট খান তো ভাল বড় ইটো গান টিক টাক কৰিছো বুলি তো এনভায়রনমেন্ট লাটো প্রবলেম একো নাই কিন্তু মানে আমি গান তো জঙ্গল দি বহি আছে তো বাহার চাইছে বুলি তো ফ্রেশ এয়ার আছে বলে বি উইথিন টাউন দে আছে বুলি তো আমি খানে পলিউট কৰি দিই আৰু আমি খান প্লাস্টিক খান বি চাবি ডিগ্রেডেবল খান চলাবি গয়ে বলে বি কথা না মানে আমি খান যদি এটো ডিগ্রেডেবল খান নহলে বি গভর্নমেন্ট ব্রা কি ডাইরেক্টিভ দিছে এটো খান চলাইছে বুলি তো unemployed youth can be that they survive koribole parbo bole many people many shopkeepers opt for sosta wala hit lagi jay and moreover the customer can be degradable laga plastic te all paisa hali bi goli bi complain ho jay so the shopkeepers they don't have any other option but they should opt for the public ki bal lage tate jaw lage so all these systems should be looked into with very serious. Okay, I endeavor for everyone to have the same rights and opportunities in breaking down the barriers that hold people back owing to their race, gender, sexual orientation, religion, or socio-economic status. In a nutshell, creating an inclusive society where diversity is celebrated, not feared. Having said, I am prepared to represent the voice of the people of Kohima, as I believe in the power of people to bring about change. I believe in a future where our children can grow up in a world that values them for who they are and not from where they come from. I believe in a society where justice is not just a concept, but a daily practice. Thank you.